haven't seen black grapes before. I don't recall. Interesting. $1.99 on special at Farm Boy. I'm inside Farm Boy. Neat. I'm gonna get some and try. I've never tried black grapes before, I don't think. Yeah? It's a good price, so I'm gonna try it. Let's see. I guess these will do. Alright, let's see. Oh, black grapes. Alright, I'm just at home now and I'm gonna try the grapes. And now I said at Farm Boy, like I said, I haven't seen black grapes before, but I have. But it has been a while, I guess. So yes, now I recall I have seen these black grapes before, but this is a long time ago when I used to see them a lot. But anyway, I am gonna try the black grapes. It's nice. The skin is thicker now. I remember. I'm always like buying the green ones, but these are nice, and it's seedless. These are good. $1.99 a pound. I might go back and get some more. Take a bite. Yum. All right, so Farm Boy has their own take on, well, packaging looks like Pringles, so what they call it, chip stack. I have a sample here. My good. Not bad, not bad. And they have it in sour cream and onion flavor. The flavor's there. Sour cream and onion. Not bad. What do we have here? Chickpea chips. Not the first. I've never tried. Never heard of such a thing, but let's give it a try. Okay, I'm gonna try a sample. There's a good crunch to this. Not bad. This one is salt and pepper flavor. Ooh, this sausage reminds me of the breakfast sausages I used to have at Movenpick. English bangers. How much are they? No price. Alright, they have hot Italian sausage for $7.99 a pound. There's 6 of them, and they're not too plump like the ones I usually get, but that's fine. So, but really, give it a try. Why not? So, they're hot Italian in the cake at the butcher here. Looks hotter, looks better. Can I see, or is it the lighting? Sometimes it's a trick light. I think it looks more seasoned and, yeah. Okay, so we're getting the loose ones here. Oh, it costs more then. This is $7.99.
They're slightly bigger than those ones.
Right. So do I want, so I said 6, right? Yeah, let me let me think. Yeah, why not? I eat my, yeah, we'll take it. We'll go for it. All right, time to taste the hot Italian sausage from Farm Boy. So it looks. And it's flavorful, better than the ones I bought at Costco, right? I bought Costco sausages a few times. I'm not gonna, I mean, they're good, but they're not seasoned well. I don't know if I overcooked them. They do. It's a bit on the dry side, but not bad. I mean, maybe I overcooked them. I'm not sure. The other ones I got at No Frills are good. They were flavorful. I should have done a show and tell, I guess, tasting. But yeah, they're good. Take your bite. Farm Boy hot Italian sausage. It's made in Canada. Or I think Ottawa. They're from Ottawa, so yum. I tried Andouille sausage. Andouille sausage was at the, what restaurant? Milestones. They had a good breakfast and they made theirs, right? And they made it so good. And then now every time I try it somewhere else, it's not the same. I want the, but I will try 2 of yours and see if it's similar. Yeah. Now, do it? You put it together? You make these sausages? No. Oh, there's like the Farm Boy plant. Yeah. Ah, where is that based? Like, where, do you know? Oh, so these are coming from Ottawa. They're not like there's one here in Toronto. Yeah, got it. Cool. Gotta support Canada. All the drama. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That dude loves drama, you know? It's very typical. It's one of those, like, because he's in power now, so he can dictate whatever, but he's not thinking it out. The consequences. Like, right? I didn't even know anything. Like, it's a domino effect. Like, it's a, like he has, yeah, he's on another planet. Maybe. Yeah, right? See ya. All right, so that's how it turned out. So that's 2 Andouille sausages from Farm Boy. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I'm adding some to my breakfast, so I'm just showing the sausage right now. All right, let's give this a try to see if it's similar to the one when I first tried Andouille sausage. I think it's Milestone. I think there was a Milestone location on John Street in Richmond. That's the one I used to go to. Okay, so let's see. A nice flavor. Even frying this up, my apartment, the aroma, really nice. It's not the same as when I tried it at that restaurant, but it's still good. Flavors are there. It's not too spicy. If I recall the one Milestone, it was spicy and like a comfortable spice, you know. So it's pretty good. I'm gonna make some I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs, and my take on the Rosti potatoes. And then I'm gonna have some of this with it. So not bad. I'll buy it again for sure. Yum. Take your bite. Alright, so I was looking at the prices here for this Coho salmon fillet. Never heard of it before. I did ask the butcher. So, and plus I Googled it. I will post the information up, but it's richer in color, leaner compared to Atlantic salmon. Atlantic salmon is lighter in color. I have never tried this one. I might give it a go. I might buy a small piece just to see. Maybe this $8 one. Maybe small. $8.33. $8.11. I like the belly. These are at the end, so this is the end of the fillet. This is closer to the belly. I'm gonna go for this piece. Gotta reach in the back and see what else they have. No, I'll just go for this. Well, this is $8.91. Yeah, I think this is. Give this a try. All right, I have to use the oven mitt because the dish is still hot. So I'm gonna just give it a little taste and see. So here we go. It's nice. Wow. I outdid myself. The lime, lemon, whatever is tasty. That's good. Okay. I got some, be careful. Might be some bone in there. But it's good. Can't wait to plate it up. I made that a pineapple cucumber salad, and I have some avocado, and I made a coconut rice. So pretty much instead of using water, I use coconut milk. At the end, I added some water. Wasn't enough. But, I think that all goes together. Okay, so it's good. Coho salmon. Very good. Yum. So stay tuned for a separate presentation video of how I made Coho salmon fish. Alright, so here's a sample of the West Coast Select Smoked Salmon spread. Oh, it's frozen, I can't bring it up. But let's give it a try. There's a sample here. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Take your bite. Oh, good. Nice smoked salmon flavor. Very good. So they have the Easter loaf cake sample here. Let's give it a try. Alright. Okay. Nice chocolate. I can't get it out. Nice treat. That one next. Coffee, cake, lemon, poppy seed. Let's see. Alright, let's give it a try. Spongy, like a sponge cake. Nice. Turkey maple leaf filled. Oh, I like this display, samples display. Alright, let's try this one. I thought it would be chewy. It's crunchy. Nice. Stay tuned for a separate presentation video of how I made all of the things I bought from Farm Boy. Because I have a project on hold just because I forgot to record on the outside.